thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Legandale, Oregon, 7 miles north of Overton, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Overton, Mopa Town, Mopa Valley, and Legandale. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 91 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.